So I'm back to square one. I just hung up a call with a founder that has done multiple business, and right now I raised like 150 million for his latest one. And I was asking him so many questions and I felt dumb, and I was like, okay, sorry if I'm making questions that may seem like super obvious. And he reminded me of something that is actually very important, and he just told me, Van, it's totally fine. It is the first time that you're building a business. You don't need to know everything. It's okay that you worked 6 years at those big companies with big names where you were sitting at the expert seat and you were telling other people what to do to grow the business or what were the right strategies to follow. But you're now in a complete different position. Your life has changed. You're building a business from scratch for the first time. You, of course, will have many things you don't know. There will be a lot of things that you need to find out on the way, and it's totally fine. And one of the first things that you could be doing with your time is actually this: speaking with entrepreneurs who are 2, 3, 4, 5 steps ahead of you. Try to learn from their mistakes and try not to make them. And that's what I'm doing. But it was a really humbling situation where I thought, man, it's totally right. There's so many things I don't know how to do. But if you're in a similar situation, you're not alone. We're on this together, and this is just part of the journey of doing something new. Doesn't matter what it is.